Welcome to the Gel Electrophoresis Lab. For this lab, your team will be investigating the effects of DNA polymer size on transport through a gel. Gel electrophoresis is a technique used commonly in biological labs. DNA is loaded into small wells in an agarose gel, and then a voltage is applied. The DNA, which has a net negative charge due to the phosphate backbone, is drawn towards the positive electrode. The rate it travels is based on its size, which is what you will be investigating. The first step is to prepare your agarose gels. Use the recipes you come up with to prepare 3 solutions for gels between 0.5% and 1.5% concentrations. Then heat the solutions. Although you will only need around 12 milliliters of solution for each electrophoresis run, you will lose volume due to evaporation when heating, so you should prepare 20 milliliters of solution. To prepare the solution, you will need to use a micropipette. Read the volume range on the side to determine if you're using the right pipette. Remember that 1 ml is 1,000 microliters. Twist the dial to get your desired micropipette volume, then retrieve a tip from the tip box by pressing the pipette into the top of the tip. Press the pipette plunger until you feel the first resistance, then retrieve your liquid. To dispense the liquid, press the plunger all the way down. You should run multiple gels at each concentration, so that you can perform error analysis on your results. Be sure to look for small agarose particles that look like bubbles. These should all dissolve before pouring your gel. After the gel dissolves, add cyber-safe DNA stain, 1 microliter per every 10 milliliters of solution. Finally, pour the gel into the container with the comb and wait until it solidifies. You can kind of tell when it solidifies when the liquid does not shake and there's resistance when you try to pull the comb out. Next, place your gel into the carriage and pour the running buffer over it. The next step is to load your gels with the DNA ladders. A DNA ladder is a mixture of DNA fragments at multiple known base sizes. The ladder comes with a card that will tell you which size of DNA corresponds to which band. This can be quickly determined by counting the bands from the bottom or matching the bands that are the darkest. Draw up 5 to 8 microliters of DNA into your micropipette and prepare to add it to your gel. Use your index finger from your other hand to stabilize your pipette. Be sure not to pierce your gel with your pipette. Because the DNA is weighted, you can load it from the top of the well and it will not spill out. Once your DNA is loaded, run your gel and wait for 30 to 50 minutes. Be sure to take pictures for analysis, and make sure to measure the time and distance traveled. This will allow you to calculate the velocity of the DNA, distance divided by time. Pick 3 bands, preferably the darkest color, for analysis. Match these with the bands on the DNA ladder sheet so that you know their size. This will help you calculate the important parameters for your analysis. Good luck! We definitely recommend trying to start your analysis while your gels are running. That way, you can ask the TA for help if you get stuck, and you can make sure that you're recording all the data that you need. See you in lab!